Hi babe, welcome again to my channel. This tutorial is going to be for a beginner. See, I don't have any hair in the front of my hair. Genetically, I don't have hair, so slaying my edges is going to bring out the non-existing hair, like the slight hairs I have are going to show up, and it's going to make my hairstyle look better. So to start off, if you're not a beginner, just carry yourself and go. Don't come and tell me anything, because this is for beginners, for people that don't know how to at all. So I am using Eco Styling Gel, and I like it because after a while, like when I rub it in, it conditions the hair and make it soft. So that's why I like to use my finger. That way I can feel where my hair is still coarse, and I'll know that it has not yet been moisturized, and I'll just rub in the Eco Gel for a while. After that, I would use a toothbrush and bring out every single hair that I have. Like, whoever is here to represent, come on, let me make you useful. Like, the very few things I have, you can see from the center part of my head, I barely have hairs there. So in the side, we're already getting 1 inch into my head, so we have hair, of course. And the first thing you're going to do is, if you have a pattern on your hair, you open it up, just continue the line. If you have a section in like a line, you continue the line, and then you're going to start, like, you would place your hand. Guys, can you notice that break in transmission? There is no hair in the middle. Another break in transmission. Guys, let's jump this place. Just work with what you have. Oh, see tiny hair, see tiny hair, but in between that tiny hair, there's another break in transmission. Okay, we have hair here, so you swoop the hair forward, place your finger in between and push it behind your finger. That's going to create like a C shape. And then, you understand what I mean? Like, place your hand on your scalp and swoop your hand. Wait, first let's repeat this. Brush the hair forward, place your hand on your scalp to prevent the hair from moving back too much, then swoop the hair around your fingers. That is going to create like that C shape. Just what I did here now is going to create like a C shape, and then that is going to give you those beautiful curves. In case you have no idea, if you have an idea, I don't know why you're watching this video with your expertise. This is for beginners. As you can see, I just gave like normal baby hair slayage. And if you're having this type of difficulty, it happens. Sometimes it will just refuse to lie down straight, so you can just add a little bit more gel to your hand and press it down. But I need to go back to finishing this hairstyle because we are not done. If you want to see this hairstyle, it will be the next video uploaded on my channel also. Check it out, and it will be linked at the end of this video. Bye baby, bye.